I promise you can have it all, girl.
YouTube, what is up? What is good, you guys? It's the Boul Nate. Shout out to the Boul Nation. Hope y'all feeling good. I'm feeling good. Before we get to the video, hit that subscribe button. Remember to 1,100 subscribers. You know, we crossed the 1,000. I know we got to get back to how it was before. You know, every 100. So we got 1,100, 1,200, 13. You know, just keep going up. Just keep going up, man. But keep liking the videos, keep commenting. I love the the dialogue, the back and forth. And today we got another sneaker unboxing, but we have a double sneaker unboxing. So pretty much one that y'all probably have seen already, and then I got another one that some of y'all probably know of or probably haven't seen much of. So we'll get to the one that I probably seen the most of. Y'all probably know what this box looks like. Yes, sir. This is a regular box. Oops, other side here. There we go. Ooh. Yes, sir. Got the Foam Runner box. Stock X. And it's like a very tag. Thank you. And this little joint there. Okay. And ooh, yep. And these are a pair of the Ochre. I believe I pronounced it Ochre. But yeah, so this is a pair from obviously StockX. Got the verified tag on there, so you know it's authentic. And man, I was skeptical on the color cause like when I was like looking online, like it wasn't really like definitive color. Like some of them look kind of like dark, like a kind of more like a brown. Some of them have more like kind of like I guess like a golden color. I guess what I'm saying. This is kind of more like a the light kind of sucks on like for me. It's like giving like a shadow, but I don't know. This is kind of more like a. It's kind of like a sand color, I guess I'll say, kind of like a sandpaper kind of color. Maybe like a light gold or beige. I don't even know what kind of color, like what kind of color this is, but yeah, man, it's just your stereotypical Foam Runner. You know, I got all the holes and stuff like that. So also I got true to size 11, so. Tagging everything, bottoms. I mean things like this actually is pretty much like a perfect like to me like this is really like a perfect like fall shoe because like it just has like that earth tone, that kind of like thing that can blend in. But at the same time, you definitely could like wear this like on like you're traveling somewhere. You can wear it because like it should like just like kind of fit with like a lot of stuff. But yeah, like I already did his color. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like everything simple standard right there. But yeah, that doesn't go one to add to my collection. Yeah, those look nice. And then it's actually the first time I'm getting a shoe of this like as design a model, but it's Jordan box. This is the right order here. Jordan box. Also got this true to size as well. Got this on Dick's Sporting Goods actually. Pretty easily too. So I don't really wasn't very much of a hype shoe, but we have a pair of the Jordan 5. So the pair of Jordan 5s here. So apparently some people call these the Oreos, but these, according to Dick's Sporting Goods, these are actually called the Moonlight. So Jordan 5 Moonlight. I'm pretty sure this is the 2021 pair. So, but yeah, like overall, man, like I said, this is my first Jordan 5 I ever had, really. So everything here is new to me. So going to the shoe, got a nice, I guess I want to say like a suede upper. You got like a breathable, like kind of like mesh here on the sides. Pretty much like the white interior here. Got Air Jordan right there on the back of the tongue. Well, yeah, back of the tongue. Obviously, Jordan logo. Got this in here too as well. Pretty icy bottoms too. Pretty icy bottoms. Yeah, I mean, this is like, it seems like a good, like, nice casual shoe. Got a little boost right there, kind of show that. But yeah, I like it. I mean, it's definitely different for me because, like, I pretty much have mainly like Air Jordan 1s, like Nike, like other Nikes like that. Mainly low tops. So I really don't have too many high top sneakers. So this is a good one. I like it. Thing is, like, it is kind of big. It is kind of bulky. But besides that, like, it's still a nice black and white shoe. I kind of like how I got the little, like, design here on the side too. That's kind of unique. Kind of like that. I guess kind of like a what am I thinking about? Kind of like throwing paint. You kind of like throwing paint like a backdrop kind of thing. That's what it looked to me at least. But yeah, like they got the black upper, midsole. Here. Yep, look at the other pair out. The other shoe. Give you the full look. Also, man, this box is gigantic, dude. Especially compared to like that Foam Runner box. That joint is, I think it's huge. But yeah, man, this is awesome. I like it. So what I'm gonna do for y'all is I'm gonna give us our own feet and then. Yeah.
D2 made that.
All right, and we're back. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed that on feet. So starting out with the Ochres, I mean, obviously the comfortability's there, everything works. Thing is, like, I bought two of my size 11, but I don't know, they look and feel big. Like I have room, like I had a good amount of room, like in the shoe. So I'm like, should I go down like should you go down size? But then I'm like. Thing like Yeezy don't have like half sizes, so I'm like, well, it tell me too small, but I don't know, like, cause I said like I went to my size 11, but I got good amount of room in there, but I'm like overall like, shoes comfortable, and then with the Jordan 5s, fits clean, it's comfortable, functional, looks good on feet, like to be honest, like I look a little kind of bulky. Because the shoe looks big, but I'm like, when you put it on feet, it looks good. Probably looks better with jeans or any kind of pants, but definitely could work. So again, guys, hope you like this video. You want more kind of like thinking unboxing or boxing in general, so let me know in the comments. And I'll catch y'all next time.